it's Bethany here again. Welcome back. I'm a simple living mom who loves to live slow and simple. This is part 2 of a mini-series about living more minimally digital or digitally minimal. I'll link part 1 if you're interested. It tells the background years of leading into my ownership of a smartphone, life with a smartphone. I have a love-hate relationship with digital technology. Because of it, I feel like a better person, and because of it, I also feel like a lesser person. And this feeling is really the basis for why I decided to challenge myself to downgrading to a flip phone. And I'll add right now that I didn't actually throw away my flip phone, although at times I really do feel like doing that. So I've discovered, as I'm sure many of you have, that smartphone digital technology is all about balance. So when I say things like, this smartphone has great benefits, but it is also super detrimental to my mental and emotional health, that would mean that my use of the smartphone is not quite balanced. So here's a few examples of how my smartphone, the use of the smartphone, has really had some advantages in my life. And that is being able to connect me to other like-minded people that inspire me or challenge me to grow more deeply, to become more mature and well-rounded as an individual. Yeah, and there are very many helpful apps that make life easier, make life much more convenient. I do like them, but I can also live without them. I'm a simple person, so honestly, I haven't bought into very many of these apps and don't use as many as probably the average individual does using a smartphone. And while both of these examples can be done on a smartphone, I can, with a little more challenges, also have these gains by getting out a more large, cumbersome laptop. The people that I connect or tune into through social media apps that inspire and challenge me, I'm also able to do that through a computer. You see, this makes the accessibility a lot more difficult by having to get out a laptop. It reduces that compulsion to always have to be on your smartphone. That's it. The compulsion that started out as a convenient luxury smartphone slowly turned into a very unhealthy obsession. So I've decided I'm putting down my smartphone and picking up my life. And in doing that, I'm choosing to engage with these tools in a much healthier way. By eliminating the smartphone, I become more present and aware of the now. I'm more careful to choose and select what consumes my online time. And right now, I'm saving a whopping $85 a month by downgrading to this flip phone.